at sea, this the first coat. We razor clean it throughout the window, and we also wiped it down with Windex and all. And basically, there's all steps and procedure of getting the job done. Just want enough on the tip end of your brush, so you can draw your outline of where you want to start it on. Start on the back end first, work your way in. Just barely enough for your ankle person, so drag it down slow. Get a pretty little line. All back in. Yeah, all the lines not gonna be pretty and straight. Basically just keep much off the glass window pane as you can. Slow process, you have to take your time with it.
This is the last coat y'all put on?
Yes, this is the second coat, last and final coat.